Shampoos are our daily necessary product, but certain cleaning ingredients like sulfate and others sometimes make hair rough and frizzy. But gentle shampoos do not contain harsh chemicals, so without harming your scalp, it cleanses your hair strands thoroughly. You can use such shampoos every day or on a regular basis, and it will definitely benefit your hair. These shampoos are also a godsend product for sensitive skin and damaged hair. Now, so that being said, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best gentle shampoos for your precious hair. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for a mild shampoo to control your frizzy hair, the Bumble Gentle Shampoo might be the right option for you, as it gives your hair a creamy, clean texture that you've always desired. This ultra-mild shampoo delivers a great hydration as it contains super rich ingredients. It gently cleans your hair and it locks in moisture while adding shine. But besides that, the product is especially formulated for fine to thick hair type. This hair bath is designed to make your frizzy hair manageable, and apart from this, it leaves your hair smooth and silky. Additionally, it is made with a cruelty-free formula. Users on Amazon have given this product many positive feedbacks, and they love the shampoo as it's easy on the scalp and it smells great. But then again, a few of them complained about the packaging. So it's time to check out the ratings. We'll gladly give it 5 stars when it comes to user acceptance and its value. But the shampoo is pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. Our next pick is a drugstore product. It's the Aveeno Pure Renewal Shampoo, which provides a nice shady lather to give your hair a gentle clean while being safe for colored hair. It contains naturally derived cleansers which effectively remove all the impurities while giving you a fresh feeling. The product has healthy seaweed extracts that deliver healthy manageability along with the most balanced state after each wash. You can renew your dead hair without going to a salon. Moreover, it is infused with the power of NatureSurf technology, as it works best to lift away all the dirt while maintaining the hair's optimal moisture level. Its sulfate-free formula leaves your hair shiny and full of life. And if you have colored hair, this shampoo is definitely suitable for you. According to user reviews, the Aveeno Pure Renewal Shampoo leaves your hair looking shiny and smooth. And they were also in love with the smell. But some users complain that the shampoo makes the hair rough. So let's take a look at the ratings. We accepted the product for the value and the price that it comes with. So overall, it will get 5 out of 5 stars. The OGX Thick and Full plus Biotin and Collagen shampoo comes with the benefits of hair thickening with just one use for providing your hair with a great volume. This product is packed with the goodness of biotin and collagen, which gives your flat and thin hair an instant boost. Additionally, if you're in love with volume, you can try this one as it has rich ingredients like vitamin B7 that helps you to achieve fuller and healthier looking hair without spending money on expensive treatments. Collagen in this product maintains your natural hair growth while giving a thickening boost, as we know that it is a building block of healthy hair. This hair care system is sulfate, paraben, and phosphate free, and its jasmine and vanilla scent leaves your hair smelling wonderful. Users love the product as it nourishes the hair, and they were also amazed with the affordability. But besides all that, some users think that the shampoo doesn't provide enough moisture. So it's time to rate this product. We really did appreciate the quality and the beneficial outcomes provided by this shampoo. And it is quite affordable, so we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. The Free and Clear Hair Shampoo is our next recommended gentle shampoo, which works perfect on sensitive skin as it does come with an ultra gentle formula and it leaves your hair fresh and clean. It helps to control oily scalps while removing flaking and scaling as it has hair cleaning ingredients. The shampoo contains other effective ingredients which help to remove all the buildups caused by conditioners and other hair products. With its every wash, you'll get manageable and soft hair. This product is formulated without fragrance, gluten, and many other harmful ingredients, so it is safe for sensitive skin. This dermatologist-tested product has a well-balanced of pH level as well. The Free and Clear Hair Shampoo has earned the trust of many users as it works good for people with allergies, but some of them were not satisfied with their purchase. Moving on to the ratings, we were overwhelmed by the formula and the value of the product. All of that, and it is such an affordable price. So we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars in total. The Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo is our best pick for today's video, which is made with all natural ingredients that help to hydrate and make your damaged hair smooth. This gentle shampoo is featured with the greatness of argan oil, which is extremely rich in antioxidants, and it helps to nourish your hair. If you have colored hair, it will help to repair damage, and apart from that, it gives you a gentle clean. Keratin and proteins in the product deeply nourish hair with every wash, and it also leaves your hair more manageable and stronger. This shampoo works as a moisturizer for hair, and additionally, it promotes a healthier look. The product is free from sulfates, parabens, and phosphates as well. The Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo is highly recommended on Amazon by the users, and they love the product as it comes with a high quality and it leaves hair bouncy and soft. But a few of the users were disappointed with their outcomes. So let's rate this product. We absolutely love the formula of this gentle shampoo, and it is affordable as well, so overall we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars. And those were our top 5 best gentle shampoos. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.